Hi guys, how you all doing? Happy Christmas, Happy New Year in advance. Yeah, it's your boy, special boy. Today, let's talk about making beats. But it's holiday time. Get me? If you are at your home, you can make beats by yourself. Easy way, quick way. I don't want to waste your time. I hate wasting time. Pay attention. Get me? Don't just pay attention to the video and learn. Then you subscribe first. Yeah. So I use bandlap to make beats. I don't know what you guys use with my phone. Nothing more. Just bandlap. The skills I learned from the trenches. You get me? So if you want to fuck with me, guys, your phone, bro. That phone I use. You don't need any fancy stuff. You get me? You came from nothing, so you gotta use what you have to get what you want. So let's have bandlap. I have nothing to talk about here. Get me? You see this beat I just make. I made this beat. I made it finish. I'll show you guys the way I make it. Listen. That's the drum. That's the perfect way to make drums. Pay attention, oh, okay? Trumpet. Save it to screenshot it. This is how to do the trumpet. Very simple and easy. You can see. This is perfect way to do trumpet. Oh. The next one is guitar. Pay attention. You can feel it, right? That's how I made the beat. That trumpet. I make everything myself. No sampling. This is not no sampling. Just making. This is just beautiful, but I don't use this. I don't use this. I only put it there.
She know who's the only victim, man.
This is my producer tag. Yeah. Yes, I use this drum. What else? What else? Okay. The beat is very perfect. Listen.
She
Everything
know who's the only
combined.
victim, man.
This is wonderful, bro. I swear to God, it's wonderful. Can you hear female vocals? Do you hear female vocals on the beat? This is how I put female vocals. See, I'm filming. Oh, can go to Bad Lab. It's very simple to put female vocals. Bad Lab to put instrument now for in Bad Lab, and you can see it here. Screenshot it if you forget. This is how I make this wonderful beat, amazing beat. It's very simple. When people just come to me like they say they don't understand and they don't know how to make beats, it's not my damn concern, bro. It's not my concern. If you want to learn how to make beats, you pay attention to videos. It's my destiny. Get me? Destiny cannot be denied. I don't pay anybody to teach me. I don't learn. I just believe I can do it and I do it. You have to believe that you can do it. And beat is only to make. You can be a producer if you don't know how to sing. But this video is for producer and both producer and artist. Everybody can just be vibing. Get me? I like to teach artists more to make their own beats so that producer will know the form. But that is the video. Like and subscribe. Pay attention more. Like and subscribe if you enjoy my video. If you learn, you can see trumpet. I show you how to put your own original trumpet. No sampling. I don't use sample in my beats. You can play original trumpet, original guitar, original girl vocals, everything. No sampling. You don't need to settle any sample something. No, nothing. Original beats, made beats, can use by yourself. Go and practice now. No time now. Now for 2025 and get me. Practice, learn, pay attention more. Don't dull. Pay attention. Pay your mind on what you are doing. You can really talk together here. No comment rubbish. Comment you try. Help me, no dey cost me, no damage me. Peace out.